Check it out, I got my brand new kaabomantis scooter out of the box. It took only a couple minutes to get it ready to go. The first thing I did is I pulled the scooter out and I secured the main bar here with these two latches. It took only a couple seconds. And then I went up and secured the handlebar with these 4 screws. And I didn't need to have any tools. Kaabo gave me this awesome Allen key wrench. So all I had to do was unscrew and rescrew those 4 bolts right there. And then I went ahead and I put on the waterproof pouch that it came with. And you know the best part about this pouch, besides it being water resistant, is that it's big enough that you could fit your phone, your keys, your wallet, and the charger for your scooter right here on the pouch. So you don't even need to bring a backpack with you when you're ready to go. So I got my scooter plugged in. We're charging up here. Once it's all done, I'm just gonna take this out, secure the cap. I'm gonna come back in a couple hours, check it out, and we're gonna hit the road. All right, scooter is all charged up and ready to go.